Hello everyone, welcome back to interviewbuddies.com. In today's video, we are diving into file IO operations, which is an essential skill for any Python developer. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to read from a file, how to write to files efficiently. So let's get started. On my screen, you can see I have two windows open. On the left side, I have the Python file, the Sublime, and on the right side, I have my terminal window open. So as a first example, I have written some code in which I am reading the file called as example.txt. So it says that open this file example.txt and get me the content of this file using file.read function, right? And then when we have the contents of this file, print this as a whole using the print function and then close the file. So I already have this file created and it's in my current location. So if I cat this cat example.txt, you will see these are the contents of the file. And if I run this function, if I run this code, I'll say file.py. So it'll print the contents which are present inside the file as it is. So that's how you can read the file in Python. Now let's talk about how to read these files more efficiently and ensure they are properly closed. We can use the with statement. With statement is more cleaner way of doing it, and it ensures that the file is closed after that, so you don't have to explicitly call the file.close function. So with statement goes like this. I'm going to copy a snippet. So here I'm saying with the statement is written here, open this file example.txt in the reading mode, then read the contents of this file using file.read method and print the content. So here you can see we are not closing the file explicitly. So if I run this statement as it is, if I run this command as it is, it'll print exactly the same thing, and you don't have to do the file handling of closing the file here. So it's more cleaner way of doing it. So now let's talk about how we can write to a file. We can use the same open function and change the mode to W instead of R. So here I'm saying that again with the statement open file example.txt in the write mode as file, and in this file write the contents hello world and a new line. So if I run this, it should overwrite the contents of the existing file. So it didn't print, it print the last message, and I'm going to read this file again after this. So let's indent it. Okay, so here what is happening in the existing file, I have overwritten the content, so it should print hello world. So as you can see, the file has printed hello world. The first hello world came because we ran this function last time. So that's how it overwritten the existing content of the file. But what if you don't want to overwrite the content of the file and instead you want to append it? So for that, you just have to change the mode from W to A for appending. So code looks like something like this. We are saying that open the file example.txt in the append mode and write appending this to the line. So once we run this, it will append after hello world here. It will appending this line in a new line, because here we have added /n for the new line. So let's run this, and I'm going to remove it from here and read it. And again, I'm going to comment this print statement so that we don't get confused. Right, so Python. So this is the whole file, Python file.py hello world appending this line, right? So that's what happened here. So it appended to the existing file, and after that we read the file and it printed that file. Now reading and writing binary files is also easy. Simply add a B to the mode. So the code goes like this. We are saying open the file example.bin in the write mode and B for binary as file, and write the contents. These are the contents, and write them to the file. So if I run this, it should not print any binary data as of yet, but we'll do it in a minute. So it printed existing contents of example.txt, and now let's read this, just the binary file. So how you will read it? The same way as you were reading the existing text file, but here we are adding R and with B. So here we're saying open this file in the read mode, and this is the binary file. So binary is the mode of the file, and then print the content. So let's see what it's going to print here. So it printed whatever we have written in the binary format. So that's how you can read the binary data from the file, or the binary file. So that's it for today's tutorial on file IO in Python. You can practice these to handle file operations in your project, and don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.